Hey there, welcome to Time Rewards. Here is a quick overview of the basics to help you get started. When you access Time Rewards, you will see a guide button on the top right corner of your screen. Click on this to turn the guide on and off. The guide has helpful video tutorials about various Time Rewards features. Now, when we set up your trial account, we loaded it with demo data. This data helps you to understand the features and reports on Time Rewards with ease. When you are done exploring, you can go to Guide, then click on Remove Demo Data. This will remove the demo data but will preserve any setup and customization you may have done. One important thing to note is that our help information and videos use default terms. You may have customized these to match your company's lingo. So, when we say click on Customers tab, it may have been changed by the admin to Client. The section on the left is the sidebar menu. As an admin, you can see both My Workspace section and Administration section. By default, employees will only see My Workspace section. The first screen you land on when you access Time Rewards is the timesheet screen. From this screen, you can customize timesheets to suit your company preference and style. Click on this gear icon to get started with the customization. You can change the timesheet frequency, set up rules, and change the layout. You are currently viewing the timesheet on week view, but you can also choose the month view, day view, or the to-do style. To learn about the different views, watch the Introduction to Timesheet video, which you can find in the guide. Timesheet in Time Rewards has three basic aspects: customers, tasks, and employees. Let's look at customers first. Click on Customers. To add a new customer or a project for an existing customer, click on Add. To view details about a customer, click on the customer name. Here, you have some general information about the customer. The Team tab has info about the people working on this project and the tasks they can work on. The Billing tab has information on how to bill the customer for the work done. You can watch the billing rates video tutorial in the guide to learn more. The Transaction tab has all the transactions for the customer. The Invoice Preference tab has client-specific invoice preferences. By default, customers are set to use company default invoice rules. You can override those rules here, including frequency and invoice format. Once set, Time Rewards will remember the set preferences and create invoices accordingly. Great! Now that you have got your introduction to customers, let's move on to the next aspect, tasks. Click on Lists on the sidebar menu. Then, click on Tasks. Tasks are activities performed by your employees. These tasks can be for customer projects or internal company tasks. To add a task, click on Add Task. If you use QuickBooks or Xero, add the tasks to your accounting package and sync with Time Rewards. Now, let's look at the third and final aspect of timesheets, employees. Click on Employees tab on the sidebar menu. To add an employee, click on Add. To view details about the employee, click on the employee's name. The General tab has some basic info about the employee. The Project tab has information about the projects assigned to this employee. You can assign a new project and task by clicking on the New Assignment button. The Rates tab has information about the cost rate and how it changes over time. If you bill using employee rates, you can enter that here and enter how rates change over time. The invoicing process will automatically pick up rates from here. The Expense and Timesheet tab lists the expenses and timesheet for this employee. When you add an employee, an email invite goes out to the employee. The employee can then log in and start entering timesheets. As an admin, You can click on the Timesheet tab to see how timesheets flow through the system. By default, you land on the Pending Download section. Here, you can see the timesheets that are ready to be sent to QuickBooks or Xero or your payroll provider. When you are ready, select the timesheets you want to send over and hit Send. The hours will automatically transfer over. Click on With Employee to see timesheets that the employees have entered but not submitted. You can send a reminder to employees to submit their timesheets. Likewise, you can click on With Approver to see timesheets pending with approver. Here, you can change the approver if required, or just send a reminder to the approver to approve the time. The last thing we are going to look at is invoicing. Click on the Invoice tab. Here, in the Not Invoiced section, you can see a list of all approved transactions that are pending invoice. With just a single click, you can create invoices for all your customers. Time Rewards will use the invoice preference setup for each customer and create invoices automatically. Okay, so that was a quick overview of the main features of Time Rewards. You can get in-depth information about each feature in other video tutorials. Check out the Introduction to Timesheets video next to learn more. Time Rewards, doing time has never been easier.